Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports Distributors, and today we're taking a look at this 2007 Yamaha Royal Star Midnight Venture. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This 2007 Yamaha Royal Star Midnight Venture with 34,772 miles passes New York State inspection and runs well. It comes equipped with cruise control, a CB radio, and a multifunction 4-speaker audio system. It's been upgraded with an aftermarket accessory plug, grips, a throttle lock, and a luggage rack. Powered by a 1294cc V4 engine, the Royal Star puts 97 horsepower and 89 foot-pounds of torque through a 5-speed transmission. With a 6-gallon fuel tank, the Royal Star has a 140 to 250-mile range. It has a 29.5-inch seat height and an 869-pound wet weight. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes on each part of our comprehensive inspection. We measured this bike's charging output at 13 volts, the front tire at 430 seconds, and the rear is at 730 seconds. We took this bike for a test ride and found that it runs, rides, and shifts well. We've posted the service repair order for this bike so you can see the parts and labor we invested in it when we put it through the shop. Because of this bike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear. There are paint chips on the front fender, a scratch on the left saddlebag, scratches on the trunk, a scratch on the trunk lid, scratches on the upper fairing. This bike has an owner's manual, a toolkit, and 2 keys. It has a clear title, and we have purchased the CycleCheck's vehicle history report. This bike is being sold as is without a warranty, but additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in trades. At National Powersports, you can find hundreds of pre-owned motorcycles and powersport vehicles, all with full mechanical and cosmetic condition reports. Work with a team where nobody's on commission, and shop from the comfort of your own home with our nationwide shipping and financing. Come visit us today at our Pembroke, New Hampshire, or Coxsackie, New York locations, or online at nationalpowersports.net.